Doonan Specialized Trailer, located in Great Bend, Kansas, has been building trailers for over 40 years. Doonan is proof that manufacturing is still alive in America today, especially here in the Heartland. Thanks to the loyal support of our customers, the tireless efforts of our vendors, and the hard work and dedication of our employees, the company had a record-setting year in 2022. Today, Friday, February 24, 2023, Doonan would like to take this opportunity to thank its hardworking, dedicated employees for its record-setting year. To recognize this achievement, the company is handing out the highest bonus payments ever to its employees. Again, congratulations and thank you to everyone that helped make us successful in 2022 and is still with us today. If you want to learn more about Doonan or some of its other initiatives like flex hours, pay for performance, and video training, or if you would simply like to join the Doonan team, look us up on the web at www.doonan.com or check out one of our job postings on Indeed. Thanks again to all our hard-working and dedicated employees.